What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. So, today, you guys know what dropped, man. Air Jordan 3 dropped. Yeah, the Air Jordan 3 dropped, you guys. And I didn't go for a shoe on sneakers like I normally would because I hit on the raffle at Finish Line. I hit on the raffle. This is the first raffle that I've ever hit on Finish Line. So let's get on into it, man. Let's be quick. I got a lot of videos dropping. This video is obviously going to drop first because it's most relevant. And then I got some other videos to drop too. And I'll space those out within the next upcoming days. So we got Air Jordan 3 Retro. White, racer blue, black. There's that tag for you. Now, that's a little different type of box. The other pair of threes I got, pretty sure them Georgetown colorways came in a box similar to this. Make sure I'm sure you got the blue jump, man. Got the elephant print, black and gray elephant print. So let's open up the box. Paper's elephant print. All right. I like these. So I'm gonna set these box to the side. All right, you guys. I like these. I like these. I like these. This is very clean. It's a very simple shoe. The Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue. Now, let's go around the shoe. You got Racer Blue coming around the heel. And instead of it being white right here, the blue actually continues all the way to the toe box. The toe box, you have a black and gray elephant print, which is also 3M. Now this shoe's clean. I like it. First impressions, I like it. But as I go around, I do see some glue stains. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a glue stain right here and coming up. Right? I don't know if you can see that. The glue stain is right here. It comes up along the top. So there are slight quality control issues, and then even right here, I feel like the stitching is a little bit off. You can actually see this stitching. So other than that, I think this shoe is super clean. Let's look at the other one. There are no spare laces with this shoe. There's no hang tag that I see. You know, sometimes you wish it came with at least a hang tag. All right, so this shoe right here, same thing. Got the blue on the Jumpman. Come around the side of it. I don't see too many paint strokes in my size. Or in my shoe, I don't see too many paint strokes coming along the side right here. This is a clean shoe. On this shoe, I don't see any glue stains. So, you know, that could have been a one-off on that shoe. I'm not really worried about that. These are really for the feet. These are for the feet. So, I'm not really worried about glue stains, but it's a clean shoe. This is a clean shoe. I don't know if you can actually see the 3M hits, but that 3M, it do hit a little bit. I kind of understand what people are complaining about when it comes to the elephant print, because most people are just used to something different. But me personally, I don't think every Jordan 3 or every Jordan 1, 2, 4, 5 should look the same. Like, I like a little difference in every single shoe. So I think the 3M hits is what makes this shoe actually a little bit more special. So I'm rocking with these shoes. I don't know what that is. It's almost like they got a little 3M on the leather right here. I don't know. See it? Nothing big though, man. These shoes are clean, man. So shout out to Finish Line for the first raffle, man. I don't have any points on my Finish Line account, so maybe this shoe just wasn't that sought after. And let me be honest with you, the way they did the raffle, they had a list with your name and your phone number on it. At 3 o'clock, there were still hella names on that list that were not crossed off, and that was at Tacoma Mall in Washington. So for any of my local people, if you're looking for this shoe, I would go up to the mall tomorrow morning and see if they actually have this shoe, because a lot of people's names were not crossed off on the list as I was looking. So that's on you guys, man. That's on you guys. But I appreciate you guys tapping in with me. We got our Racer Blue 3s. We're welcoming them to the 3 family. We got, how many 3s I got now? Maybe 5 pairs. 5. I got the white cements. I got the black cements. I got the Katrinas, Georgetowns, Racer Blues. We're starting a nice little Jordan 3 collection, so maybe I'll have to do like a Jordan 3 collection video. If I get, comment below. Let me know if you guys want to see that. You guys want to see a Jordan 3 collection, or have me even do a collection video or anything like that. So comment below, man. I appreciate you guys. It's your boy Bert Collins. Got the Jordan 3s. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.